All right, I am here today to introduce the new Niles SS-1000. So we redesigned the 8000 to just make it a little bit beefier, give it some shape down on the bottom of it. Some of the comments we were getting were that when it tapers down so small, if your blank goes on there, and if it was a little bit big, it made the stopper look top heavy. So what we did is we beefed it up a little bit, put a bigger foot on it down there, and then gave it a little more shape in the center. Just kind of made it look a little classier. So when they taper way down, it makes the stopper when it's standing up look top heavy. So we've fixed that. So they are available on the website, the same price as the 8000s were. The diameter, same diameter, it's just a bigger foot on it, and then we redesigned the center there. Same height, everything. They all fit right on the mandrel, just like the rest of them, but it just gives it a little more mass down there so that the stopper doesn't look top heavy on it. We're trying to keep moving forward and coming up with designs. We had some customers talk about it, how it looked top heavy, so we went ahead and made some changes to it. All right, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a comment below, and if you have any questions on another video I can make or answer some questions, leave them below and I will get to it as soon as I can. All right, everybody take care and have a great day.